Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are fine. Now, you are watching EduStar Class 4 English. Let me recall the previous topic in short. So far in your lower classes, you have learnt that we should write a before consonant letter and an before vowel letter. But from now onwards, you should check with the sounds of consonant letters and vowel letters. So again remember, based on the sounds of the letters, you should write the articles. If the noun is singular and has a consonant sound, we should write the article a before it. For example, a jacket. And if the noun is singular and has a vowel sound, then we should write the article an before it. For example, an hair. Here, you don't say hair. You pronounce it as air. We know that all the articles a, an, and the like to point out nouns. And the twin articles a and an like to point out only singular nouns. Hope you all remember this. But the elder brother, article the, likes to point out both singular and plural nouns. Not only this, the can point out at uncountable nouns also. We also learned that articles are classified into two types, definite article and indefinite articles. In the last video, we learned about the indefinite articles a and an. These articles talk about things that are in general. And today, let's learn about the definite article the. Do remember that the is used when it shows uniqueness or specificness. That is, the is used when we talk or tell about the unique or specific properties of things. Now, let us learn definite article the. Unlike the indefinite articles a or an, the article the speaks of something that is definite. It refers to a particular person or thing. That is why the is said to be a definite article. Now, let us see the usages of article the point-wise. Point 1. To refer a noun that has already been mentioned. For example, I planted a tree last year. The tree has now grown big. Here, when I talked about the tree for the first time, I used the article a. But in the second sentence, I used the article the because now you know about which tree I am talking about. That is the tree which I had planted. Point 2. We use article the with adjectives in the superlative degree. For example, Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. In your lower classes, you had learnt about degrees of comparison of adjectives, that is, positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. When you use the superlative degree in a sentence to compare more than two people or things, we use article the before the adjective. Here, I am comparing the planet Jupiter with all the other planets. Hence, I use article the before the adjective biggest. Point 3. We use article the with those nouns that are the only one of their kinds. For example, the red fort is built with red sandstone. Here, the red fort is unique as we have only one of its kind. So, wherever you talk about a unique person or thing, you should use article the. Point 4. We use article the with singular nouns that represent a whole class. For example, the cow is a useful animal. Here, we are talking about the whole class of cow. That is why we use article the before the noun cow. Point 5. We use article the with uncountable nouns. For example, give me the water bottle. Here, I am talking about a particular water bottle. So, I use article the. Now, you all are well aware about the usage of article the. And now, let me teach you where you can omit or not use article the. We don't use article the before names of substances, countable and uncountable nouns when we talk about them in a general sentence. Now read this sentence. The milk is hot. Here, milk is a substance and an uncountable noun, and I am particularly talking about the milk which you know. So, we use article the before milk. Now, read this sentence. Milk is good for health. Here, milk is a substance and it is an uncountable noun. But I am not particular about which milk. I am talking in general. So here we don't use article the. We don't use article the before plural nouns and abstract nouns that are used in general sense also. Read this sentence. I love the flower rose. Here I am talking about a particular flower rose. So I use article the before flower and read as I love the flower rose. Now read this sentence. I love flowers. Here the noun flower is in a plural form and I am not talking about any particular flower. I am talking in general that I love flowers. So here no need to use article the. Let us take an example for abstract nouns that we talk in general. Read this sentence. Always speak the truth. Here, I am particularly asking the person to talk the truth, which is an abstract noun. Now read this sentence. Truth always triumphs. Here, I am talking about the abstract noun truth in general. So, we should not use article the before truth. And here's your today's worksheet. Let's check the answers for the previous worksheet. From next week, that is from December 1st, you will have your term 1 exam through online. You will receive or might have received the timetable, portion and pattern of all subjects through your school app. Let me explain you how to write the exam. You can write the exam in a ruled paper. Write all the details as you see on the screen, such as the name of the school, name of exam, your name, roll number, standard, subject and date. After writing all the details, draw a line and continue to write your exam. Write the Roman letters and question numbers correctly, or else it would be better if you write the question as well as answer. See that your presentation and handwriting is very neat. Leave one line and write. And don't forget to draw a line after every Roman letter. I hope you all are revising well. We have sent the pattern for the exam, so prepare accordingly with the help of your parents. Try to send the answer scripts on the day of the exam itself. Do not delay as we have to correct it. Before sending the scripts, check that the photos you have taken are clear or not. If you can convert into PDF and send, then you can send through PDF also, or else send as a image. But check whether the image is clear, and even if we zoom, it should be clear. Okay, dear students? Okay, all the best for the exams and write the exam fairly with true spirits. Bye, students.